Hi and welcome to this multi-part video series called Phone Right. My name is David Anthony. Now, if this is your first time here, welcome, and do consider subscribing because this channel is all about helping you go further and faster in business and in life. So let's get started.
Here's Paul Dunn.
Hi. You know, it is truly amazing to see just how many profitable sales opportunities many businesses miss each day. The good news is that this program is going to have you creating opportunities, not wasting them. You and I see frequent examples of those wasted opportunities every day. We see businesses who attract our attention with brilliantly produced ads designed to get us to call them, ads that cost literally thousands upon thousands of dollars to create and produce. So, inspired by the ad or because we have a distinct and urgent need for the company's product or service, we call the company concerned. And we hear things like this.
Johnson & Co.
Abrupt, cold, and harsh. It's as if this company has a sign upon its wall saying, "Business is war," and welcome to it. And sometimes you hear this. "ABC company, hold on please." What a terrific welcome that is. Why didn't they say, "Buzz off, we're busy and we don't want your business anyway"? And then, when they do put you on hold, you hear this. As if we really do like stupid, inane bells in our ears. But some companies have figured out, thank God, that customers don't like those bells. So they get creative. They have the radio on hold. So you call, and you hear something like this. Frightening, isn't it? Or imagine you call a bank. They put you on hold, and then you hear this.
And at the State Bank, you're treated like someone special.
Sounds okay, doesn't it? It's just that you weren't calling the State Bank. You called another bank. They put you on hold, and you heard an ad for their competitor. Now, if you still think radio on hold is a good idea, just picture this. You ring at precisely 11 in the morning, news time, and you get this. "ABC company, hold on please." And then you hear,
The United States has just bombed Libya.
Now, that's not exactly going to motivate you to buy, is it? You see, the truth is that those first few seconds a potential customer spends on the phone with you and your company are critical. It's not an exaggeration to say that your telephone really is your shop window. You can choose to dress it attractively and make those potential customers feel special. Or you can dress it unattractively and turn them off. And that's just as a direct result of what they heard in those first 4 seconds. But sometimes, of course, a potential customer hears this. So if you were the customer in this situation, what would you do? Well, you might dial again, but this time you'll dial a competitor's number. And if you're treated correctly, you'll buy from them. Because they had a better range? Because they had better quality products? Because their prices were lower? No. Simply because the first company you called treated you with ignore on the telephone. So like we said, those first few seconds are critical. And the good news is that you're going to discover some superb ways of making sure your potential customers do get greeted correctly in those first few seconds. You'll discover much more than that too. For instance, when you put into practice all the ideas we'll be sharing with you here, never again will your accounting department answer their phone this way.
Accounts.
Or,
Credit control.
and never again will the boss, let's say his name is Frank Williams, never again will he answer his phone like this. "Williams." You see, if this guy Frank Williams were to meet you in the street, it's highly unlikely that he'd come up to you face to face and say, "Williams." Well, at least I hope not. So why on earth do we do these things on the phone? Quite simply because we've never been trained to use this powerful instrument in precisely the right way. And maybe until now, we've never realized just how crucial the phone is. And just on that point of answering the phone, I'll always remember one day doing a live training session with a company in Melbourne. During the break for tea and coffee, one of the fellows in the group came up to me. "It's funny you should mention this business of the greeting on the phone," he said. "I used to work for a company in England. We had a chap in our group who had a really creative way of answering his phone." "Well," I said, "I'm always looking for creative ways of doing things. What was it that this fellow did?" Well, my friend continued, "His name was Robin Knott, as in Knott. And whenever his phone would ring, he'd answer it exactly like this. Not here." Now, clearly, there must be some better ways of doing things. Again, that's part of what you'll discover in this program. But you'll discover much more than just how to answer your phone. You'll see how, until now, you may have actually been turning business away by the way you've dealt with people on the phone. For instance, imagine you've decided you need a couple of tyres for your car. So, during your lunch break at work, you ring the company who has what we call top-of-mind awareness with you. Let's give the company a name. We'll call them Terrific Tyres. So, you call them. Now, in a moment, we'll listen to the call. But right now, just consider this crucial point. You're calling them because you need a set of tyres for your car. I want you to notice that point. So, here's the way the phone call goes.
Thank you for calling Terrific Tyres. Can I help you?
Yes, I'd like the price on some tyres for my Celica, please.
Sure, just a moment. I'll put you through to sales.
Oh, hello, sales department.
Yeah, I want the price on, your best price on some tyres for my Celica, please.
Sure, is that the current model?
Well, it's last year's, I think.
Okay, hold on a moment. Right, the price per tyre is $49.95, including fitting and balancing.
Well, good. Thanks very much for the information. I'll give you a call back later today.
Oh, righto, please ask for John when you call, won't you?
All right, thanks very much indeed.
Okay, bye.
I hope you got a lot of value today. If you did, click the like button. What that does is help us build our non-profit business school, UBLA. Check out in the description below to find out more about what we're doing and how you can help. This is part of a multi-part series, so keep your eye out for the next video. In the meantime, we've done a great playlist about why do small businesses fail. Check this link over here, and this will show you a great little list about how you can be successful in business. So thank you very much. Catch you again soon.